How to use Stripe for beginners. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can easily use Stripe as a beginner. First of all, what is Stripe? Stripe is a technology company that offers a platform or business to accept and process payments online. It was founded in 2010 and has since grown to become one of the leading payment processor in the world. Stripe provides businesses with a range of tools to accept payments online, including API, webhooks, and pre-built integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Stripe supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other digital wallets. It also offers additional services such as fraud detection, prevention, subscription management, and invoicing. Stripe's mission is to make it easier for business of all sizes to accept payments online and grow their revenue. Now let us start. First thing we're going to do is to sign up by clicking on this button over here. Now this will redirect us to the sign up page over here. Now you could simply put in your email, your full name, input your country, and your password. Then you could create an account. Now after signing up, you're going to be redirected to this dashboard of Stripe. Now as we can see here, we can click on continue activating to proceed and activate our payments. But let's first have a quick tour of our Stripe. Now when we scroll down, we can see here the gross volume. We could check your overview down here by seeing the payments that you had, the gross volume. You can also check your new customers, failed payments, net volumes, and sales. Now if you look on the top, you can see that we have home, payments, balances, customers, products, billing, reports, connects, and more. Under more, we could see that we have a direct payment and business operation. Under direct payment, we have payment links, invoicing, subscription, and terminals. Under business operations, we have Radar, Sigma, Climate, Atlas, Identity, Tax, Revenue, Recognition, Finances, Connections, and Data Pipeline. We also have multi-party payments such as Connect, and financial services such as issuing and treasury. You can add more apps by clicking on this app market over here so that you would be able to have more functionality for your Stripe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is click on continue activating. This will redirect us to this page where we would have to verify our business. Now over here on the left side, we can see the list of things that we would need to do. The first thing we're going to do is to verify our business. Now over here, we're going to verify our business type. We're going to input our business location by clicking on this, and then we could choose the country where our business is located in. For now, we're gonna go with United States. Then we could choose the type of business that we have by simply clicking on this. Then we can change it from individual to company and a non-profit organization. Right now, we're gonna go with individual, and then we're going to click continue. Now the next step is to verify our personal details, such as the legal name, which is our first name, last name. You would need to enter your name exactly as it is recorded with the IRS. You would input your email address, the date of birth, your home address, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now after doing that, you can go over to the business details. Then you can choose what type of industry your business has, such as right now we're gonna go with software. You could also add your business website if you already have a domain. You could add a product description. Now under fulfillment details, you would have to answer, do you sell a physical good? You could answer yes or no, and then you would need to answer how long after payment will your customer typically receive their good or services. Now after doing that, you can go over to the public details where you can add your statement descriptor, shortened descriptor, customer support phone number, customer support address, and then after And then after completing the information, you can click on continue. And after completing your information, we are going to click on add your bank. Now over here, you can add your bank so that you can receive your payouts. And there are multiple banks such as Chase, Banks of America, Wells Fargo's, US Bank, TD Banks, Capital One, and many more. And if your bank isn't appearing here, you can simply click on this search bar and then you can search for your bank. You can also enter your bank details manually over by clicking this hyperlink over here. Now after entering your bank details, you can go and secure your account, add extra steps, and review and finish. Now after activating your payments, you could go back over here and then we're going to click on payments. Now over here, we would be able to create payment links. We could create a payment. We could create an invoice. We could also host payment UI, build a custom payment UI, or charge customers in person. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a payment by clicking this button. Now this will redirect us to this page where we can see a lot of information. Now we're going to start from the top. Over here, we can click if we want this payment to be a one-time or a recurring payment. You can set the amount over here and you can change the currency right beside it. You could add your customers over here, or you can find or add your customer over here by inputting their name or email. You could add description for the product or services associated with the payment. You could add statement descriptor, and you can change your payment method from manually enter card information. And you can see we have a payment method over here. Now, after editing your information, you can simply click on submit and then you will be able to create your payment. Now we're going to go back and then we can also see that we can also create an invoice for our customer. By simply clicking on create an invoice, this will redirect us once again to another page over here. Now it's going to ask us an account name. We're going to put in coffee, Will, then click add name. And then now over here, we can add customers or find them over here on this area. You could find or input the items right below it. You could also change the payment collections from request payment to auto charge customer. You could have additional options such as memo, footer, custom fields, and tax ID. Now, as we can see here on the right side, we have a preview for our invoice. We could preview our invoice in a PDF form. You could also preview our invoice in an email form, and we can have it on a page form. After creating your invoice, you can simply click on preview invoice and then your invoice will be created. And that's it, guys. That's how you use Stripes even though you are a beginner. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.